What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to turn on privacy display on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So firstly, open settings on your device, then select display. Tap the display privacy display switch to turn it on. Once enabled, your device's screen will remain protected continuously unless the conditional settings are active. Or you can also turn it on from the Quick Panel section. Just swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Quick Panel. Tap the privacy display icon to activate it instantly. This method is quicker if you want temporary or on-the-go screen protection. Always combine privacy display with auto brightness for better battery performance. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.